Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Kraken Terminal. Now you can use the Kraken Terminal to save on fees, so it will have cheaper fees than the simplified exchange on Kraken. And as a general rule, that goes for every other exchange. So any other exchange that also has a simplified exchange will be more expensive than the terminals or the trading platforms that they also offer. If you need to deposit funds into Kraken, you just need to go on Funding in the top menu over here. And once the page loads, you can scroll down and pick the deposit method that you like, either fiat currency or cryptocurrencies. In my case, I'm depositing euro, and all I need to do is just follow the prompts and instructions that I'm given to deposit funds. So now let's get back to how to use the Kraken Terminal. So as soon as I've signed in to my account, I've landed on this page, and all I need to do to access the terminal is go to the four dots over here at the top. And now all I need to do is click the Kraken Terminal. Now here is the trading platform area of Kraken. It's similar to any other trading platform, crypto trading platform on any other exchange. So once you know how to use one, all the rest of them are similar with just some slight variations. So now what I need to do is go over here in the top left and click to find the cryptocurrency that I want to buy. And I need to know the ticker symbol. In my case, I want to buy Monero, so I'm going to write XMR. And this will give me the trading pairs that are available for Monero. And I have some euro in my account, so I'm going to go for XMR euro. As you can see, there's a lot going on the screen now, and it looks quite complex and overwhelming, especially for beginners. But you don't need to look at all of that. You just need to use the panel on the right over here, where you can access the different order types. All the stuff on the left is for professionals. As you can see, I can either buy XMR or I can sell XMR. In my case, I want to buy some. There are two main types of orders that people usually use. There are either market orders or limit orders. Now, market orders are instant, so you will buy cryptocurrency at the current market price. Whereas limit orders, you can set the price of a cryptocurrency yourself. So, say for example, at the moment, Monero is at roughly about 189 euro. Say I think it's going to go down to 170 euro. Then I can tell the trading platform to purchase Monero for me at 170 euro when it goes down. So it's a way of automating trades. I'm going to show you how to create both types of orders. So first I'm going to start with the market order. For every type of trade you can make on Kraken, you can use leverage, but beginners should stay away from leverage because it can be a double-edged sword. Essentially, it's borrowing money to make trades. If it goes well for you, it's great because you can increase your returns, but if you lose on the trade, you'll owe much more money back. So I suggest you stay away from that sort of thing. Now, since I'm using the XMR Euro trading pair, Kraken is showing me my available Euro balance. Now, this is in just one Euro account, which I can use on either the trading platform or on the simplified exchange. It doesn't make a difference. Over here, I've got some buttons that show or give me the option to either spend 25, 50, 75 or 100% of my available balance, But if I don't want to use those, I can import the amount I would like to buy myself. So I might decide I want to buy a certain amount of Monero, which I can import over here. Alternatively, I can import the euro amount I want to buy, and the trading platform will automatically calculate the amount of Monero I can buy with the euro amount I've inputted. And once I'm done with inputting the amount I want to buy, I can just go down and press review and buy. Now over here it will give me an overview of the transaction and what I'm purchasing. Now all I need to do is confirm buy. And it's showing me the trade that's just gone through, and it's also showing me another trade that I made earlier. Now I'm going to show you how to create a limit order. So at the moment the price of Monero is 189 euro, but say I want to buy it at 180 euro. I input the price over here, 180, and I can input the quantity of coins I would like to buy, say for example 2 XMR, and the trading platform will calculate how much it's going to cost me in total. So it will times the price by the amount of coins. So that's 360 euro that I'm going to purchase. The conditional close is like a secondary trade. So once Kraken has bought the 2 XMR at 180 euro for me, I can then ask Kraken to sell it, the 2 XMR, at a higher price, so I can make a profit. So for example, I would like to ask Kraken to sell each coin for 200 euro. That means I would make a total of 400 euro and I would have made a profit of 40 euro, as it's calculating it here. Over here you've got the advanced settings for the trades, and you can set the duration of the trade. Most people select good till cancelled, or you can select immediate or cancel, or custom. So you can give a time frame in which you'd like the trade to be done, otherwise over and above a certain time period it shouldn't execute and it should be discarded. You can choose whether to pay the fees in XMR or euro. And then once you're happy with all the settings you've inputted and the trades, you can just go ahead and press review and buy. And from there you'll review the trades, like what I had done in the market order that I had done previously, and just press confirm buy. I'm going to leave a Kraken link in the description below, just in case you want to use Kraken as an exchange and you do not have an account yet. So that's it from me today. Thank you very much for watching.